I am down at the San Diego Bay today because it's a special day. The Hikianalia is here. Hikianalia is a traditional voyaging canoe. She is based out of Hawaii, but a couple months ago she sailed all the way across the Pacific down the coast of California, and today she makes port in her very last stop.
When we sail anywhere we go for the last 43 years, it's to connect with the first peoples of each place and ask permission to land and uplift them and ask them their stories and learn about their ancestral knowledge so that we can find our way in this modern, confusing world. It's been probably the most special part about voyaging around the world and through California is connecting with the first peoples and of course the Hawaiian Polynesian community. It takes so many pieces of a community to make a voyage happen. And sailing is what everyone sees, but behind that are hundreds of people making lei or dancing hula or making food or standing the canoe, and for people to see that the voyage is just the tip of the iceberg. When you peel off the layers, it's a whole community it takes to keep going, and that's what brings our people together and keeps us strong.
This is our hoi uli. A hoi uli means paddle long. So we do not use a tiller, we do not use a rudder, we actually use a paddle, and that's why we call the va'a a canoe. Right? People ask, well, why do you call it a canoe? Well, it's because we use a paddle to steer her with.
There was something about standing on the deck of the Hikianalia and feeling, I don't know, a connection, a tie. It almost was like a suspension of time. That's what it was. Like time has just stopped. You can't feel the minutes pass. You can't feel how long it's been. That's what it felt like. Was like I was having a moment with the canoe, I guess.